Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to make groundnut paste or peanut butter. So this is my mother. She's helping me out. There's nobody to video me, so I want to video, and that is why she's setting up the fire for me so that I can make a good video. So fast forward, I had to just rinse the pot because they use it to cook something. So I have two types of groundnut. So this one, it gives much oil, but this one, it doesn't. So I'm going to combine the two. So my mother is going to fetch some. We'll start by roasting or frying the smaller type. You can see it has two different colors. So the first one that we have fetched in, they always say this is old granite, like where in our locality that's how they say it, some kura. So that's old granite that they have stored for a longer period, and the other one that's fresh granite, or it hasn't been stored for a longer period. So this is how I'll be turning it. In fact, if you delay in turning it, it's going to burn. So it needs lots of patience because you'll be very tired. So now I'm just going to be turning it this way so it becomes golden brown, and then it is ready for me to take it out of the pot. So you can see the color is changing gradually. If you just move away to rest for like 5 minutes, you are going to get your peanuts burnt. So now after some tedious stirring or roasting, it is done, and I'm just going to take it away for it to cool. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video so that a lot of people can benefit from it. Today I didn't go to work, and this is the best time for me to make this groundnut paste because every day I go to work and I don't get time to do some of the things that I want to do. So after taking away the first batch, I'm going to roast the second batch. I'm just going to divide everything into four, and it will be done. The sun was very hot, so it was not easy doing this. So now this one too is done, and I'm just going to take it out too. I just moved away a little so you can see there's a little bent peanuts in this one. So now I'm done with the other one, and this is the other type, the bigger ones. And this one, it takes much time to roast, unlike the smaller ones. The smaller ones, it roasts very quickly. So I have it here. The smaller ones, as we are roasting it, the peel stick itself, or it gets itself removed. But this one, the bigger one, it doesn't, unless you use your hands or you use something to peel off the skin. So my mother is helping with the removal of the dark ones, and this is how she will just use her palms to rub it, and the skin to the peanuts will be removed. May God bless each and every mother. They are really doing well for us. So after everything, I'm just going to be doing it this way so that I can get the skin out of the peanut. Some people also blend it, or they go to mill it together with the skin, but I just want to remove it. So now I'm done with the remover and I just transferred it into this bucket and carried it to the grinding room. And that is where they are going to mill it for me. So you can hear the sound of the grinding mill. And within some few minutes we are going to mill everything. This is not much, so it will not take much of their time. So this is where our peanut video ends, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So after milling, they have to open it for us to scoop out all our peanut butter from their machine, and it's very hot. Thank you for watching, and I'll be glad to see you next time on this channel. Bye.